Okay. Do the whole thing. Ready? Ring around the rosy. Sing it. That was that was Maui jumping up at the window because she wants to come inside. Do your Pocket Rosie.
Oh, Maui, come back and me and my Pocket Rosie. My feet.
Nope, there you go. Fixed it. Pick her up. Okay, sing it. Let me hear you.
My feet run home.
No, they're right. Tatum, can you tell me how old you are?
I'm 2.5.
You're 2.5. What's your name? What's your name?
Tatum.
What's Mommy's name?
Mommy, Daddy.
What's Daddy's name?
Josh.
Yeah?
Josh.
Josh?
Yeah. Daddy.
Do you know what street you live on?
Hershey.
Well, we won't put that on the blog anyway.
Daddy. Josh. Joshy. Happy birthday to Joshy.
Happy birthday to Joshie?
Happy birthday, Daddy fans.
Daddy's friends?
Nice Daddy fans.
Who's that?
Tatum.
That is Tatum, isn't it? Baby Tatum.
Baby Tatum. Oh, picture of this Tatum.
Is it bedtime for you?
Papa Cozy ashes over down.
Whoa, good job.
Your turn.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put on the carpet. Put on the carpet.
On the carpet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Over here.
Okay.
Poker Voice over the stairs right here. Get up on Poker Voice right here.
Okay. Tatum, say bye-bye.